Okay, this is a sewer inspection from a mainline cleanout at the house, 4-inch. We are currently all the way at the city connection where it drops into the city lateral. We will be pulling back. We're at 94 feet roughly, and we are going to pull our way back. Go ahead, Ernie. Okay, that's city drop off. Currently in the 6-inch line, clay. It's cloudy. Let me go flush the toilet.
Pause it.
Okay, we're still pulling back. Still in the 6-inch clay. Got some roots there growing in. Okay, root intrusion there. Okay, we're coming back into the, looks like Orangeburg. It's hard to say if it's Orangeburg. It's in a good round shape, which is uncommon. Maybe black lined clay. But if you notice, every 5 foot we've seen a root intrusion. Here's one of them. This is closer to the street. Okay, another root intrusion. Like I said, every 5 feet we have a root intrusion. Another root intrusion. You know, the fact that there's a joint at every 5 feet leads me to believe that this is clay, but it's hard to tell. Some of the clay is lined with a black coating, which may be the case, but Orangeburg or plastic is the other option here. If you notice, we still got every 5 foot there is a root intrusion. More roots all the way out. Roots is a prime candidate for a new sewer line, especially if this is Orangeburg. Orangeburg is very hard to maintain due to the fact that it is a soft material, which can be destroyed by rootering and hydrojetting. So roots at every joint. That's it, we're back up at the house. Okay, here we are roughly at the same spot, 94 feet. We're going to pull back. We've already hydrojetted. That's the city lateral right there. We're pulling back from the street back towards the house. We've already run our hydrojet one quick pass through. We're just going to look at the results of that. There's our hydrojet head. Okay, we're currently in the 6-inch clay pipe. Okay. And you'll be able to notice that where there was roots at every 5 feet, there currently is not. Okay. Okay, this is a clay pipe. Okay. There was there was a repair here. This is going to be the 4 to 6-inch connection. Okay, we're pulling back from that. It's roughly a 5-foot repair. There's where they connected from the current clay pipe into the plastic. And as you can see at each joint where there was roots, there no longer is. It's a bit grainy, but I assure you basically that's the result of what a hydrojet can do. You saw how bad those roots were. It's fairly common for the roots to be growing in at the clay joints just because of the design of them. You know, after the hydrojet, I'd say that this pipe is probably okay. I mean, anytime you have a clay pipe like that where it's compromised, where roots are already growing in, it's time to start thinking about replacement. But we were able to clear that up, and didn't see any big cracks or separations or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and okay this pipe. It is clean and good to go.